Oli chairperson ow'akakiiko aka Disaster Management Preparedness Committee yahamye ebi ali kugira ngu abebembezi baliyo nibakora obutaruha okureba ngu babasa kureba ngu amiizi gagaruka omuhanda gwago genyine.
Ensobi gyetuwadde tulaba era nga tuwabula bannaffe aba municipality okutunda poloti mu town nga bazimba waggulu wa drainage systems. Hakati kino tugenda tukyerabiddeko ffe ffennyini amazzi we gaggwerako eri tegalina bwe gayita bazimbako amayumba kati n'ebizimbe byennyini biba poloti ze baatunda kati zigenda kutwalibwa amazzi.
Quickest intervention we need to do is to ensure we put it back in its original channel, because even if we try to handle it from outside its channel, we may not be able to really reduce on the effect that is going to cause.
Nagira ngu kuyinjira yatandika kugwa omu district ya Kasese omwaka ogu abantu bingi batatanisibwe ebinyejemure kandi ngo bwahati abingi bakatera kubahoza camps ezo kuba barimu aha district.
So fast nabakuli gestalinga yo desi pozi kubanga enkobe eno yazze ngesaga n'amazina gagenda geyongera kati eri mu lusozi waggulu gye gava ulabanga agataliyo nate eno wansi olabanga volumes nyingi zisse wansi.
We are going to an emergency meeting at the district to see what we can possibly do in the short run.
Jacob Ndiomba omutaka okurugo muri Charumba Town Council omuri Bukonzo yashoborora ali kugira ngo bagire kwimuka akasheshe niko kushanga amizi ahamugera ogwanya mugasana gonagijire ngo kandi garenjire gatahire no myanya y'abantu. Nagira ngo obwahati emigera kwijura nikirete abantu kuteganisibwa ari kushaba ngo abebembezi ba district ahamwe na government barugeye babirukangirire.
Bridges have been cut off, others have been broken away, and rivers are flooding in town, and we are telling people along the river to get out from those valleys, to go in mountains such that they cannot be taken away by the river.
After Chondo sub-county, there is also another bridge. It's called Kaviri. As of now, it's down. So right now transport is at a standstill. People cannot be able to cross from Charumba going to Chisinga.
Abebembezi okuruga omu byaro ebi bashaba government okugira okuyabateraho buriyo na mnonga okureba ngo babasa kutereza amizi na n'omuhanda gwago kugira ngo areke kuteganisa abataka.
It's very unfortunate that every extreme weather event happens in Kasese. And according to the forecast, Kasese is likely to again experience massive floods, landslides and storms.
No mulundi gwa kusatu tukoye kubulira government kuno tubadde tusaba ntino government etusindikire D10 mu bwangu etuyambegana amazi tugaze wegaba gaita kuveda naye kulwekyo tulaba ntino balinze kutuwa milioni 5 abantu nga bafudde.
Umunyamakuru witu yashanga ngu emyanya erimu okwijirana kwa mizi ngo amingi nagarugire omugera ogwanya mwamba ngo kandi abataka abari kutura myanya erimu mu mbuzi Kizungu Nyakasanga hamwe na Kisanga ngo amizi hona gabase kubateganisa. Okurugira RDC owa Kasese Joel Simbitine mutuno moyisirwa amizi ngo kandi habingi bakiriyo nibateganisibwa amizi agijurine gakarenga ahugine kukoma. Makuru agagasha kwa Gerard Muhindo ahabwa Sky TV omuri Kasese.